Or let's get rid of this. Right. Like I said, I never remember the order. Okay, it's still trying to load this. That's really interesting. I wonder if that's alphabetical. That would be silly if it is. Let's see if we can... What is the alphabetical? No, this one's the first one. Why is it trying to load this? What a strange error. I don't think it should be trying to load that at all. Okay, well, let's copy. Whoops. Source lib raylib 5.5.0, and we'll copy it to lib raylib. And it's still looking for it. Why do you think... Do I have raylib? No, I don't. I wonder if there's something in there. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, we might need to get that. Oh. All right, fine. We will ln 500, I guess. That's interesting. Yeah, so it needs this. Oh, it... Oops. Nope. Okay. All right. We'll see if this works and then go through a quick explanation of what was happening. Okay. Okay. All right, that's pretty dumb. So what was happening is when it was making IBS for shared libraries, that code doesn't actually go in the binary, right? That's the whole point of a shared library. So you need to insert a little instruction here, or, well, we'll say instruction. It's not really an instruction, but you need to insert a little instruction in here that tells it, hey, what are the libraries that this file or that are needed to run this? And then the dynamic linker or the loader or the dynamic loader or the whatever you want to call it will go crawl all the locations it knows about and look for that library. for whatever reason, libraylib decides that the true version, so to speak, of the library is this one. So we need a copy of this, but also we need a copy of this where the dynamic linker knows where to actually look for it. And at runtime, that's usually, it'll search through here, right? It'll search all these. And we didn't install raylib here, so it wasn't able to find it. But we can tell the dynamic linker to just look somewhere, look in our current directory for libraries, and it will find, in that case, libraylib at 500 SO. Okay, that was a bit of a silly issue to start off with. That was way more in depth than we needed to go just to get a basic window up, but such is the nature of C, I suppose. Okay. Well, we have a startup window, so let's think a little bit about what we want. The first thing that I think that would be useful is something to just show me the microphone, like volume. What is the gain? Is it too loud? Is it too quiet? Is it even recording at all? So I think I'm going to work on that. And to get the volume, should we ask ffmpeg for that, or should we get that from sound.io? Can we get that from sound.io? I suppose if we were to get it from sound.io, we'd probably be getting the raw audio stream. And then we'd have to be decoding it to try to understand, what is the loudness, what is the gain on it. I wonder if we can get that from ffmpeg. All right, so let's go ffmpeg.org. And let's documentation, libraries. Probably, that's a good question. We'll take a look quickly in codec. Okay, is this it? Okay. Is this it? Okay, we might have to read the code ourselves. I don't think we'll need this. We may need this. We may have to chain these two together to get what we want, which seems a little bit much, frankly, but... Ooh. See the library's documentation section. Am I missing something? They led me back here, but this is useless. This looks like it might be more useful to us. Initialize libav device and register all the input and out devices. Okay. So we have to call this basically. Let's not forget about that. We'll have to do that at some point. We'll just keep that there for now. Yeah, and we're probably going to have to... If D is null, return the first registered. Okay. Yeah. AV input audio device next. We'll start with null. And then I guess we'll get current equals, and then current, something like that. Okay. Comma separated list. Okay, fair enough. Codec tag. That's interesting. It's an int. Construct AV codec tag. Oh, okay, right, it has both of these. Okay, fair enough. Okay, fair enough. I don't know if we care about this. I'm hoping ffmpeg can deal with that. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I'm hoping we won't have to deal with these peculiarities. We can just pass it on. Will this just expand? No. Okay. Seek to PTS. The AV class. Okay. We might have to. We might just have to pass this. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to do, but we'll need to do it. Okay, bunch of stuff here. The mime type. I don't think I care about that. Okay. So this is what we get from our audio devices. So this is how we determine which device we're pulling from. I guess we could start with just... Let's start by just displaying them all. Let's start by doing something like that, displaying all the devices that we have connected.